Stiff pegs, what do you do with them? Hi, I'm Maya. So it's very simple. A stiff peg can happen because the weather is changing, because you'll suddenly put your instrument in a hot or in a cold environment. So here are some tips to help you make your life easier, so you don't go like all the time. Okay, so tip number one, keep your instrument away from direct sources of heat and cold. Keep it in the shade. Don't put it in the sunlight. And most importantly, don't put it in hot cars. Never do that, okay? Right, number two, get a pencil. I believe everybody has one. And what you're gonna do is you're going to circle around the peg with a pencil. And basically that helps lubricate the space around the pencil. So look, if you have like, say this one is really stiff, huh? So what you're going to do is that you're going to go like this. You're just going to basically in the point of contact between the peg and the body of the instrument, you're just going to basically draw on it. If you want to go fancy, there you go. And that should lubricate the peg and make it easier, okay? Another tip is, actually, I was doing this with a string quartet, and they were like, do you know that there is like a basically it looks like a lipstick pen that you can buy just for that. I was like, oh, revelation, I didn't know that. Hope that helps. Subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.